Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create split text color effect in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to boost your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to create split text color effect in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account. And then in the search bar, just type the design you are looking for. For example, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, just click here, YouTube thumbnail. And then we change the background color. After that, go to text, add a heading, and then type, okay, for example, pink. Then just increase the font size. And then change the text color to white, and you go here if you want to change the font, but that's fine. And after that, click okay, let me just move this a little bit up here. Okay, and after that, click duplicate page. Now in this page here, we want to change the background color to white, and here the text color to pink. After that, go to share and download, and here we need to download the second page, and then done, download. After that, go to upload, and then upload files, and here is the file. Okay, and here is the image. Just click here. And here you can crop here this side, or you can crop this way, or you can go from this way, this way. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to create split text color effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.